Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So after a long days I'm with you guys. So today I will show you how I get ready in the 5 minutes. So I have already taken a bath and already washed my face. So now I'm going to use Minimalist Vitamin C serum. This is my favorite serum guys. You can purchase it from Nykaa. This is just under 500 or 600 something. Now I will use a moisturizer. This is Dermaco moisturizer and this is just under 300 something. Then I will be using Pond's BB cream and I will apply it with my hands. Now I'll be using a Maybelline compact powder to set my BB cream. Now I'll be using a mascara. This is Lakme mascara guys, and I love to use mascara. I will not apply any kajal or eyeliner today. That's why I'm applying only mascara because I'm in a rush today, and I will be using the same mascara on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use lipstick. This is Just Have lipstick and this is my favorite nude shade. So now I'm ready guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye, take care.